Hello students, today we are going to start class 3rd chapter subject max chapter number 13 data handling. So today we will learn about the data handling, recording data using tally marks, collection of information in the form of numerical figure is called data. To collect information or data, you conduct a survey by asking people a question and recording their answer. Let us conduct a survey. So here they have collect the survey of favorite ice cream. So they have asked all the flavor and they write the name and then they make a tally mark. So here you can see they have made butterscotch, chocolate and the strawberry. Okay, first as again the information collect the survey and tally mark chart given the left show the number of the children against each ice cream clearly at the glance. So here they have completed. Okay, this is called a tally and this is called a pictograph. In pictograph we will make the pictures. Okay, so now come to the exercise. First one, if one represent 5 mangoes, if one mango represent 5 mangoes, how many mangoes are represented by the following symbol? So here if one mango is represented 5, so what will be first? So 5 and 1 2 3 4, so 5 into 4 is 20. Next 5 into 3 is 15. Now 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 into करेंगे हम तो क्या हो जाएगा 30. Then 1 2 3 4 5, then 5 5 25. Now if one person represent, if one represents 6 children, how many children are there in the following? 1 2 3 4. So 6 and 4 is 24. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 6 6 are 36. Okay children, now the question number 3rd, draw a pictograph for the number of player in the team for each of the sports given in the table. So hint is take one as 2 player. Okay, now they have given the sports name and the player number. So how we will do? First we have to make this table, sports and number of players. So first in tennis they have 4, so 1 represent 2, so we will make 2 face. Okay, now 12, so 2, how many we will make? 2 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces we will make. Now 6, again 2 2 4 5 6 3. Now 8, again 2 2 4 5 6 7 8. Now again 12. So how many faces? 6 1 2 4 6 8 10 12. Okay, so question number 3 you have to do like this in your copy. Okay, now come to the question number 4. The following pictograph shows sale of toy in a toy shop during a week. Read the pictograph and answer the question that follow. Sale of toys in the toy shop during a week. Now first is how many toys were sold on each day of the week. Tuesday को कितने होते हैं? 3. We will write here 3. Monday 3, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 1, Thursday 1 2 3 4, Friday 1 2 3 4 5, and on Saturday 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, but they have given this key is 1 toy is equal to 10 toy. Okay, so 1 is 1 for 1 is 10, so we have 3 is 30, total is 30, here 20, here 10, 40, 50, and this is 70, and there is no Sunday, so 0. Okay, now how many more toys were sold on Friday than on Wednesday? Is 40. Okay, you can see here Friday they have saying Wednesday and Friday, so Thursday 40, on which day minimum number of toy were is on Wednesday. Now which is the difference between the number of toy on Thursday and Saturday is, where is Thursday and where is Saturday? Is 30, because 70 minus 40, so how many left is 30. Okay, here we have completed. Now 5 6 7 is your homework. So the question number 5 and 6 you will do in your copy. Do in copy question number 5 and 6, and the question number 7 do in book only. Okay, thank you.